briefing and we will still be on time.
Okay, so threats with weather, no tips or aircraft?
No, everything's good.
So as well. Okay, for the non-normals, I think it's a stop or to take off.
Right.
So in the event of a malfunction at all before we run, I will stop take off. My actions: ATS disconnected, throttle idle, full thrust reversers, nose down elevator, and brakes as required. If you're happy with the situation, we indicate the runway to the right. Not happy with the situation, we stay on the runway. You point the aircraft slightly to the north, possible. Set the parking brake, assess the situation. EOD is set. In the event of a malfunction at or after run, takeoff will continue. Straight ahead 5,000 feet. That will keep us safe. For the return, already discussed, we are overweight, so you can only come back for the major malfunctions, otherwise we take off. Cool. So we are cleared for essentially initially a runway heading to 3,000 feet.
ANANE.
Yeah, so it's a low level off, which is a threat, so I would resort to mention it's a strategy. I will ask for heading and vertical speed, autopilot on, and then once we are nicely established, we can turn direct to ANANE, nav, and continue. We have to switch off the GPS at some point as well, as discussed. Cool. So do we otherwise see any threats with the routing, profile, restrictions?
Well, we already talked about that threat with the routing. This, the words we have to stay on route.
Taxi route I think is straightforward. Cool. And then man is good, machine is good, environment works. So we just have a look before we apply the takeoff thrust.
Good. I'm on mission.
Perfect. And Larnaca ground. Request a startup.
Standby, please.
It's kind of weird to put this one so high.
Startup is approved.
Startup approved.
Postal checklist.
Postal checklist, internet on, CBA2 in, safety pins.
Removed.
Gravity crossflow checked, windshield window heat checked, pressurization set, altimeters.
1024 10 set and cross checked.
Negative 10 I think, set and cross checked.
Yeah, negative.
Yes.
Checked.
Checked, takeoff data set, trims, neutral 4.0 set, passenger safety brief.
Complete.
Passenger signs on, transponder alt off, emergency takeoff briefings complete, before start checklist completed.
Start checklist.
Start checklist, doors,
Closed.
parking brake,
On.
fuel content balance,
Checked.
beacon on, left and right boost pumps,
On and checked.
be there,
Set. Start.
ignition,
Arm.
and right hand engine, right hand gear.
Man ground.
Larnaca ground, go ahead.
Due to an activation of a military exercise affecting your route, I need to amend your clearance. Report ready to copy amended ATC clearance.
Roger, we'll finish the startup sequence and we'll report ready.
Confirm ready now?
Negative standby.
Roger, standing by.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
stop, but okay, great. So starting engine number 2.
Yeah.
Start time.
Start a cutout at 23.
64. Good start.
Okay, fuel system check valve operation.
Progress.
5.
Start a cutout at 22.
Good start. After start flow. Maybe we can shut it down.
Yeah. Okay, I'll check my control these.
Start checklist.
So FMS2, speeds 132, 136, 144, 173, 40 speed tape 170 pre-selected, takeoff, flight director coupled to the right, climbing to 3000 feet, QNH 1024, negative 10 on the altimeter, we accelerated 15, 20 if necessary, heading is 220 3 times, pre-selected 220, no flags, no warnings.
FMS 1 of flags and warnings.
After start checklist Gen 1 and Gen 2,
On.
AC and DC pages,
Checked.
APU Gen,
Off.
10 stage bleed on engine, APU,
Off.
ignition,
These are on.
PAX,
On.
port and sedge valve left and right checked, anti-ice wing checked, wing anti-ice isolation valve checked, anti-ice cowl checked, wing anti-ice off, cowl anti-ice on. APR,
Checked and on.
ground flight spoilers,
Checked and auto.
FMS mode sync, flaps 20, ATG control unit, flight controls checked, no steer,
On.
flight instruments CAS checked,
Checked.
and supplemental ground wing anti-icing in progress, after start checklist on or behind. Clearance?
Yep.
Ready to copy clearance?
Clear to destination via EMEDA 1 Delta. After EMEDA, proceed to ANANE, then RASTA 3000 feet, squawk 1161.
Okay, clear to destination via EMEDA 1 Delta. After EMEDA, direct ANANE, RASTA, climb 3000 feet, squawk 1161.
That's correct, report on ready to taxi.
Will call.
So basically it's what we had before, so we have to brief the departure.
Exactly. So it's a good choice we didn't cancel it, huh?
There's always time.
Yeah. So supplemental is checked, car anti-ice is off, and after start checklist is completed. Okay, so after departure, if you can follow me in the box, straight ahead to
And 1 Delta with a 1 Delta.
Lima Kilo 601. We overfly the waypoint, then we turn left to direct Bosis at or above 3000 feet. Then on track 155 to EMEDA at or above 4000 feet, and there is a lost comms buck on the right hand side if necessary.
Then after EMEDA, it will be.
It's essentially a straight ahead to ANANE.
So IREFA is straight.
Yeah.
Good. Request taxi.
And then Rasta, right? Yeah. Cool. Happy?
Yeah.
So I'll just copy that. Yeah.
Taxi to Alpha via Charlie, QNH 1024.
Taxi holding point Alpha runway 22 via Charlie, QNH 1024.
So Charlie is the standard.
Yep.
Bridge
Ready, right clear.
and left clear. My brakes are checked. Your brakes.
My brakes. Check your brakes.
My brakes.
I think I'll put on my sunglasses, since once we turn left, we'll be in the full sunlight.
I thought you wanted to look cool.
That as well.
Pump gun.
right.
Here left. Taxi checklist.
Okay, taxi checklist. Brakes.
Checked.
Checked. Takeoff. Thrust reversers.
Checked.
Check takeoff brief. So, if you have any engine failure or fire, it's straight ahead to 5,000 feet. Heading, flight level change V2 plus 10, autopilot on. And ideally we advise ATC very soon because of this airspace thing now. Under normal circumstances, it will be with full automation, nav, vertical speed, autopilot on. We go straight ahead for a little while to this waypoint, overfly, and then a sharp left turn, climbing 3,000 feet.
Checked. No question.
Okay, taxi checklist completed.
Takeoff checklist above the line.
Takeoff checklist above the line. Just waiting for a colleague. Cool. So, cabin.
Secure.
Secure. Continuous ignition off. Transponder TCAS. TARA above. Weather radar on. ATS flight director engaged. Takeoff checklist above the line complete.
Taxi light off.
Slide up. Okay, you're ready?
Yep.
Approaching holding point Alpha, runway 22, ready for departure.
Tower 121.2.
Tower 121.2. Goodbye.
Bye.
Exit 1 Lima Charlie, vacate right, contact ground 119.4. Καλημέρα κύριε.
Okay, to the right, 119.4, request 1 Lima Charlie.
Καλημέρα και χρόνια πολλά. Χρόνια πολλά και σε εσάς.
Larnaca Tower, good day. Holding point Alpha, runway 22, ready for departure.
Καλημέρα, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 22.
I put the anti-collision on. Taxi light on. Checked. Final is clear on my side.
Clear on the right.
We just put the below the line on right here.
Here takeoff, wind is 330 degrees, 04 knots.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 22.
Below the line.
Takeoff checklist below the line, wing and hull NTIs.
Off.
Windshield window heat, low probes on, CAS.
Takeoff config okay.
Takeoff config OK, runway heading.
Checked.
Checked. Takeoff clearance.
Obtained.
Obtained. Takeoff checklist below the line complete.
Are you ready?
Yo.
Rolling.
Go ahead.
Gear controls.
My controls.
I'm ready.
Check takeoff first.
Takeoff thrust set.
Checked.
V1. Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up. Okay, select nav.
Nav.
Select vertical speed.
Vertical speed.
Autopilot on.
Autopilot on.
Autopilot 2, nav 2, vertical speed.
Checked. Gear up.
Climb to flight level 110.
Climb flight level 110.
Okay, level 110 is set.
Checked.
Lima Nicosia 126.3. Have a good day.
1263. Nicosia, good morning. The EMEDA 1 Delta passing 2,600 feet, climbing flight level 110.
Kalimera Nicosia radar identified. Final level requesting.
Initial climb flight level 370.
Say again.
Flight level 370.
Continue climb flight level 310. Proceeded from present position direct to RASTA.
Climb flight level 310, direct RASTA.
Direct RASTA, please. Confirmed. Okay, flap 0. Set standard.
Confirm semi right direct to RASTA.
We are on the turn.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, passing level 50. Now,
Standard set and cross check.
speed 250 is set.
Beirut,
Delta
Assalamu alaikum,
temperature
Egypt
test.
709, maintaining 340 request descent. Egypt 709, Yash Nicosia radar contact, descent to flight level 290 initially. 290 initially, Egypt 709.
Gear off, last gear cross reverse is off, climb thrust set, gas check, the pressurization is checked.
Sky Dubai 3 Victor Delta, proceed direct to Zalkan.
Just
Direct to Zalkan, Sky Dubai 3 Victor Delta, thank you.